How to find default content sort on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First open your browser and then click settings, and now once you're here click scroll down until you find search and click on it, and that's it. Here we'll find default content source, click on it and then select anything you want here and click save. It will be saved, and that's it. And you can change this again whenever you want. Just click on anything you want here and click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.